Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today I'm going to show you a gorgeous card from me, Anne-Marie Vaux. That's V-A-U-X. Now, the cup number for this is cup 1025543_10. The kit is called Teal Rose Happy Birthday Diamond Card Mini Kit. You get 2 sheets in the kit and you get a full photo tutorial as well as written instructions. And I'd like to show you the sheets that you get in the kit and then we can make the card. So the first sheet that you get is the actual card base, and there's a fold marker for where you fold it in half. This is an insert panel and this is just a little bit of extra decoupage. The second sheet is actually the card front and the card decoupage. The third sheet is the photo tutorial. So it's up to you if you want to print that off, but it's in the kit if you need it. So the first thing that I've done is I've cut out the card base. I've followed the instructions and I've folded it in half, and I'm going to use a bone folder to make sure I've got a nice sharp crease along that edge. I'm going to add my insert panel for the inside of the card, and that just makes it marry up a little bit to the front of the card. So the insert panel will fit just in the centre of the card. Now we can go to the front. Now the large section that we have, the diamond section, on the back of it you want to add tape at only half of the section. So you follow the point and you just add tape at the bottom half of the actual design. Now I've got flat tape on this and I'm going to add this just on the top of the card base, like so, right in the middle, and there we go. Press that down. So you can see where I only added tape on the bottom half of the design because the design hangs over the top of the base card. Next is our first layer of decoupage. So I've cut that out and I've added 3D foam on the back, and we simply marry up the design to the previous layer, and then I've got the extra decoupage pieces for the corners, and I can just add those with 3D foam on the back on top of one another like that. And the final layer is the little rose with the butterfly, and that's for the centre. And that is our card finished. Stands up, and you've got the inside for your message, etc. And it's just a gorgeous design. Something quick and easy that, you know, you can just make and send for any birthday. I just think that's really pretty. And I know I'm biased, I'm sorry. And I say that with every video, so I'm saying it with my own as well. So I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup 1025543_10. You can see any of my designs by searching for Anne-Marie Vaux, that's V-A-U-X. And I would just like to say thank you so much for watching. I shall see you next time.